Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and yes, I'm back in my garden in beautiful Athens, Georgia, to show you this beautiful, beautiful shrub. I often speak of perennials and annuals and bulbs and all those herbaceous things that I truly love, but oh my goodness, I adore this thing. This is a Bottlebrush Buckeye, and I mean, it really is quite spectacular, let's face it. Asculus parviflora. And if you look at these flowers, they're really long. I haven't measured these things, but they are way longer than your normal bottle brush. And this is Asculus parviflora variety Serotina Rogers, and just usually called Rogers form. So without all those funny names, Rogers Buckeye is pretty spectacular. And we're in about mid-June here, and well, it is the dominant plant in the garden right now, that is for sure. So come on over and see me in lovely Athens, Georgia. Come on over and see the Buckeye, or just enjoy your own. And glad I could share this with you. And let's go gardening.